Good morning, good morning, good morning, mga kalingay. Balik ko sa channel. Di ba ganda? Nakakita na natapos na dito sa room. Kumula nung ako'y pumasok kagabi hanggang ngayon. Di na ako lumabas. Napagod kami, may ang jowa. O, tinan niyo. Double check. Wala na naman nakalimutan. Thank you, Lord. Yes. Double check. Let's go. Let's go, Scott. Let's go. Nothing in the bathroom. Go, go, go now. Go. Because you
Come up the door, bro.
just... Where's the key?
I got you can just you don't need to
Yeah, yeah. Oh, this is the view in the morning. Past 10 o'clock. This is the outside view. With my jowang, gwapong-gwapo. Yes. Vlog is real. Vlog is real. Ganun. Yan, oh. Diba? Motel. Wala kaming choice kagabi. But, sarap ng tulog ko live. Diba? Okay, mga kami, may iiwanan muna namin yung aming car at kami ay aawra muna ng jowa dito sa Bordeaux, France, dahil nandito na rin naman kami. Ayan yung place nila. Pak! Oh. Ayun yung restaurant. Hindi na kami nag-breakfast at fagod. Fajulit-julit lang. Supermarket is real. Scott, you tell, ha? We go back. Oh, pak. Nakaano na ako, pak. Sabi ng Joe, mag-scarf daw ako. Ikaw nga, naka-short. Diba? Medyo malamig-lamig na rin. Okay daw. Ang jowa talaga, tinanong pa, if safe dito. Nakakaya talaga ito minsan. Why you asking if they safe? Just gusto pa i-confirm kung safe, iniwan na nga lang. Iniwan na nga lang namin yung ano. Diba? Oh. Gusto ko kasi mag-dual cam para makita nyo din yung
wanna
front.
try if you have some food
The
here?
tram. Where?
You wanna go fix the tram first?
Yeah, we can go now and then maybe we can eat over there.
For sure we can.
Yeah. Buy the lunch. Welcome to Bordeaux! Medyo ano pa lang kami, siguro magta-tram kami mismo sa city proper ng Bordeaux. Bordeaux, France. Oh, sa tram daw kami bibili ng... Ay! Ayun tram! Dali! Dali! Run! 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 Bumaba kami, ayun na yung tram. Kasi ito yung mismong bilihan ng ticket. Oh. Ang jowa, ayan. Bumaba kami, magantay ulit kami ng panibagong song. Diba? Yes. Papunta na kami sa Bordeaux, sa mismong city proper. Kasama kang aking jawang goma. Ayan. Huwag na rin masyadong swim. Oh, they have cruise.
Oh, yeah.
Amadea. There's a river. There's a cruise. The tram in front of that.
Nice building.
Oh. Oh wow, tingnan nyo naman, nasa Bordeaux na tayo mga kamimen. Ang ganda. Hi, jowa. Ay! Emergency. Wow! This is the famous bridge of Bordeaux. Yeah, oh. Ang ganda. Fuck, ang ginit. Tignan nyo to, oh. Famous daw siya, sabi ng jowa. Basta it's a gate. Golden Gate, charot. Pa. Nakikita niyo din ako, ang jowa. Wow, the houses. Oh. Ay! Ay! Wow! Ginagawa yung cathedral. Napakainit, grabe. Ang jowa, oh. Oh, blood. Cheers. Cheers from croissant in the France. Sarap. Let's go inside the church first. Tignan nyo naman yung church. Oh. Wow. This is old church already. Very old. Where's my scotch? Tapos ito pa. Oh. Ay, ang gabok scotch. So dash, so stuff. You see that? So stuff. Gabok. Basilica St. Michel. Ang ganda. Grabe. Biruin nyo ito. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh, ay, ang ganda talaga. Grabe. Ang ganda. Making our sandwich right now here in the Bordeaux. Yan, nandun siya sa loob. Ay! Diba? Oh. Same kami ng in-order ng jowa. Ayan. Same kami. Salmon. Sarap?
Ja, heel lekker.
Dami ng tao, oh. Dito lang kami. Bawal daw kumain doon. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, so nice. Oh, traffic in Bordeaux. Traffic pa more. But so moist, God. This is amazing. Amazing view. Let's go. Let's explore inside. What's that? Let's explore inside. This is the real center. Center of the center. Center of the universe. This is a parking. Oh, this is There's another tower of the tower. Dito yan sa Bordeaux. Dami pa yung tao kahit weekdays. They have another side, Scott. We can go to the other side. Let's go. Wow, so nice. Another place in Bordeaux. Hi, Scott. Wow. Market day? Market. Uy, inumin. Daming tao. Ano yan? Titingin tayo ng mga yung mga tatak. Oh. Yabon, Pata, Negra, Shanto. Yung Yabon may fata. Viandas. Oh. Let's go. Titingin tayo ng mga Emelatech. Are you oversized?
I think in one place I'm
Oversized. Crazy.
Hey, you asked me. I will give you the answer.
Sabi, ang daming tao, oh. Sabi, weekdays. Ang daming tao. Oh, fuck. Kahit doon, oh. Pananis.
Ja, dat is druk hè?
Minili. Minili. Are you Minili?
Wie is dat?
Yeah, oh, Minili.
Minelli. Inimini.
Canalis Valorisis. Ang daming tao. Grabe. Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, Wow! Nandito kami sa taas. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito. But what I know is, ang tinutumbok namin is Lafayette. Lafayette. Lee Lafayette. Diba? Row. Row. Under my umbrella. Ella. Lunch here. Pak! Ang ganda ng aura. Pak! Oh. Ang ganda natin. Oh, diba? Pagbago ito ng holidays, vacation. Vacation, walang bayad. Kaya sulitin natin ito. Enjoy. Oh. Ganda ng Bordeaux. Punyab Restaurant. Japanese noodles. Oh yes! This is another tourist spot here in Bordeaux. Ang jowa oh. Ang layo na natin. Yes, this is a tourist spot. Spot na spot. Pak! Ang ganda ng Bordeaux. Ang ganda. Tapos may ganito pang aura. Para lang Rotterdam ha. Charot. Diba? Bordeaux. Wawawi. Kahit ang ganda ng spot. What's the name of this one?
Fountain.
Yeah, I know the... Oh! I think this is in the Greek. In the Greek
Something from the Romans or some victory.
Oh, in the Greek mythology of me. In the Roman. In the Roma. Saya, Greek. Of in the Roma mythology. Yeah, moy. Let's go back now to the tram. That's the tram. Where's the tram? There. There.
For number 3.
Let's go to the tram. At kami ay aalis na papuntang Spanya. Thank you, Bordeaux.
Oh, dat is
Uh, nee, that's going there. Going back.
Nee, die andere stad wel.
Huh? We're going back, toch?
Ja. And one going back to there. And then I say never.
And there's a can of niks.
Nee, twee with the day here.
Self the can? Oh. Dito pala. Akala ko naman dito. Dito. Diyan kami pupunta. Nangatin na naman ilong ko. Ayan na, Scott. Anok nit. Ja, tilat.
Ja, dat zei ik al.
Oh.
Nee, trouwens, nee, dit is C.
De C of B?
We moeten D hebben.
D.
Dat is wel goed ook. Goed, dat
This is C.
Ja, dat is niet goed.
Ah. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Maganda pa rin tayong lahat. At welcome back to the road trip again with my jowa. Hi, jowa. Nandito pa rin kami sa France. Almost 1 hour with traveling already. Yes, speaking in dollars. Charot. At tayo ay kasalukuyan natin binabaybay ang Pranses. Dahil tayo ay pupunta sa border dito ay Espanya. So tininin naman ang aming nag-bypass kami para makatipid. Hindi magbayad ng toll gate at jowa.
Yeah, but let's see. They announce this is one way.
One way this?
Yeah, but they don't say it's a dead end.
That's why they stop. Hi! We're still on the road mga kapatid. Malapit na tayo sa Espanya. Sa border. Oh, nakikita yung mga bundok-bundok na yan. Yan, yung mga bundok na yan. Yan. days. Oh fuck, English for more. Yan o. What do you call that mountain? Pyramids?
Pyreneeën, ja.
Pyrenees.
Pyreneeën.
That's a word from France of Spanje.
I think it's better Pyreneeën of zoiets, something like that.
Oh. Pyrenees.
In het Nederlands Pyreneeën.
Diba? Fuck. This is what I told you mga kamimay. Oh, Pyrenees. This is what we see in far away. Oh, fuck. Ganon. Oh. Ganda ng ating nature. Diba? Iba pa rin talaga nagagawa ng nature sa ating life. Diba nga? Ah. We are in the Spain. Hindi natin nakita ang ano. Hindi pa na po na vlog ang pagpasok natin sa Espanya. But ito ay Espanya na. Welcome, benvenuto a Espanya. Kamusta? Kamusta? Yes, nandito kami sa another toll gate. Oh my god.
Watch in the back.
Toll gate pa more. Toll gate.
Oh, mijn portemonnee dan, hè?
Oh.
Ja, schat.
What's
2.98.
road trip? Woo! Wow, shit.
Sorry, maybe.
Nawala.
Ruining the view a little.
Nawala ang view. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami magstay. Nandito tayo sa San Sebastian. Ayan o. Ayan.
Plastic.
Ayan. Oh, rotonda. Ang dami talagang rotonda dito sa Europe. Kahit sa taas may rotonda. Like, oh. Pak, ganon. Oh. Pak, ang laki ng bulok. Ay, dyan tayo galing sa taas. Bibinin Boven. Pak. Oh. Diba? Oh. Oh, ha? Oh, yan. Oh. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Stikalaka. Oh, pak. Oh, welcome to the local of Spanya. The other side of Espanya.
Polski.
Yeah, ibang salita nila dahil. Hindi pang Espanya. Very local. Ano kaya? Indonesia? Non-Indonesia. Ganda. Very local. But this is Espanya. The border of Spain.
Ja, ook echt wel buiten.
Diba? First time. Are you first time here?
Ja.
Oo. Doon tayo pumunta sa ating tutuluyan na bahay. Saan yan? Dito yan. Oh. Yan. Diyan. Where? In 1 minute. Oh, dark. Yeah. Continue there. Oh, ang daming camping.
Oh, het zit hier ergens.
Waar?
Vlakbij de Servicio.
Servicio?
Oh, bij de Kia Servicio.
Ah, Kia Servicio. Yeah, Kia. Venta. Where? But we have own parking area.
Ja, maar dit is free parking everywhere. Het zal daar zijn een luchtgebouw, denk ik.
Ah, yeah, that's a house. Restaurant, I think. Yeah, the Honda.
Kijk, het is allemaal vol.
Wow, dito kami nagpark, oh. Dito yung place. Actually, ito yung building. Yan. Residential kami nag-ano. Kasi nga, wala na kami mabook. Unplanned. Naman ng jowa. Nandito na kami sa aming place. Ayan, inintay ko na mag-open. Yeah, it's open. In.
Giant like tomato.
Yeah, my test.
Oh.
Yeah, we're here. Ganon. Okay, nandito na kami. Looking number. Ah, this is the reception. Wow. Ah, you can walk also downstairs. Ah, it's good. Not bad. It's like a hotel. Yeah. And okay, dahil nandito na tayo, Scott, nandito na sa loob. Ito yung aming, ano ba ito? Ay, cabinet. They have cabinet here. Cabinet. 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 And then, naka-CR na nga agad ako. Ihina ako. Ha?
Need extra bed?
Extra bed?
Yeah.
No. Oh wow, for family. Ah, I thought that is cabinet, but it's extra bed.
Ja.
Oh.
Oh, dat is zeker geen kast. Waar is de cabinet?
There, when you
Oh.
enter. Ah no, this one should be not open. What about in the night? Just like this? Huh? Hi. Wala na, yun lang. Aircon. They have aircon. But it's nice and clean.
Vind ik wel lekker.
May stain lang siya. Yeah. But, meron free. This one, you can put there for the ref.
Ja.
Mm.
Nou, zelfs een beetje free en free spul.
Yes. Hi. This is what you call vacation. Tapos may
Yeah?
malaki akong
How's the feeling?
celibacy and nakahiga na ako.
How's the feeling?
Like,
When you say the feeling is so open.
what's the feeling so iPad? News about, this is Frankfurt or what? Lugar siguro. I know. Spanya. Gulo.
Venezuela.
Yes, we're exploring now we out of San Sebastian, pero malapit lang kami, pwede kami mag-bus papunta doon. But we're exploring now this where we stay. Ganda naman kasi ng room namin, no? Tignan mo, ganda ng mga bahay doon. Where we gonna go? Above him. We will go there. Let's go. Wow, this is the store. This is a supermarket. Eroski City. Oh, ito yung Aura Bells nila. Alam nyo na, bago sa ating mga panlasa, paningin, at pang-aura. Pak! Ganon! Ito yung snack namin, mga kamimay. Ayan. Dahil wala pang bukas na restaurant. Kaya ito muna. Tortilla at saka ham. Tinapay pa more! Feeling ko magkakakilala sila dito. Magkakakilala silang lahat. Hi! What's your beer? Since alcohol.
It's an alcohol, but it's nice. It's from the tap, not from the bottle. Freshly put into the glass, and it's actually tastes like a real beer. Even the foam is like a little greasy. It's nice.
Drinking. Dito na kami sa restaurant, Scott.
Hey,
Ganito lang yung kakainin
kijk maar zo,
namin.
vind ik zie de restaurant.
Yeah, meron akong red wine. Mamaya ko papakita ang kakainin namin. Yeah, Scott. Ito na yung pagkain ko. Calamari. Meron siyang egg and pork. So, what's that? Salad?
Ja. Dit is met mayonaise.
Hi, mga kamimay. Non-stop ang jowa. Oh. Nandito naman kami sa pinaka-center talaga sa Saint Sebastian, Espanya. Sobrang napapagod na ako. Minumpa kasi ako ng wine. Tapos gusto pa niyang umawala dito. Eh magti-10 o'clock na ng gabi. 9:30 na. Aura pa. Sige, aura. Makita natin ang aura dito. San Sebastian. Pero ang ganda oh. Tingnan nyo yung gate nila. Oh. Yan. Diba ang ganda? Very Spanish. Kasi Espanya to. Charot. Yes, the night of San Sebastian. Yan o, 9:39. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, mag-alas 10 na ng gabi. Ito yung square.
Let's check if it's
Where's the cathedral? Ang pa.
Check if yeah, come.
Go, 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 go. 9:39 sabi ko sa inyo eh. Oh. Ito ang Sebastian. Oh. Nice. Actually, I said to him, mas maganda to when it's afternoon or my daylight. But still, it's different in the night than afternoon. Diba? Let's explore and enjoy. Ito yung mga makikita natin dito. Ganda ng katedral. Oh. Ito si Papa Jesus. Ganda. Para din sa Barcelona. Sagrada Familia. Ang ganda.